Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Woohoo! The market is actually acting very weird once again, and Bonk here is making a lot of fake outs and some few manipulation I've actually noticed on the lower time frame. So if I do show you what's happening, then I think you're going to be pretty frustrated just as I am, and that is notice how you were printing in a triangle previously. So you had this one little bit of a triangle, you had another lower support and the resistance right over there. And what happened is, if I zoom in here, look at the first manipulation that happened was you popped to the downside, you went up, you got rejected here, came down, and then you manipulated again. Okay, just to actually make another retest. I remember telling you yesterday that yeah, if bonk actually does come down, now look, you got rejected here and then you made a fake out, right? You made a support here, successful one, and then you still made a fake out to the downside. So this is not a good behavior. Okay, it's totally not a good behavior. And in that zone, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be quite frustrated as well, that oh no, what's going on with bonk, right? But thing is, you are kind of making in a bit of a bearish divergence on the RSI. The RSI are pretty much pumped up right now, and they kind of like want to cool down. Maybe that's all I can say at the moment, that maybe the RSI does want to come down to the lowest support here, 27.68. So what I see maybe in the future is that the best possible scenario for a correction is that we might just see a visit down to 2045. I'm not very sure about it. Okay, I'm not sure because again the 10 has always been an extraordinary support. So all I can say is that if you lose the 10, because notice how you're not still losing the 10. Okay, you're still holding the 10 EMA, which is good, positive. And if you end up losing the 10 and then you lose the 20 as well, that's when it's going to be very safe to say your next destination is down to the 55. And if you lose that as well, then your next big support comes down to 1407. These are just levels that I'm talking about, which may happen if you start to lose, and also if Bitcoin starts to drop, because these things are actually tied to Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin makes anything bad, then it is going to affect the market. So let's see, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.